Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you how beautiful arrangement we can do with this beautiful sunflowers. I want to say those beautiful flowers my daughter-in-law she brought me for my birthday, and I want to use it for decoration. It's not just to keep them all in the vase. Even that way it's beautiful too, but we want to use it different dishes in different decorations. So now I have over here these little plates, which I've done another one before. So what we have to do is, now we have such a pretty flowers. I'm gonna cut them kind of short, and we're gonna put them faces up, just like this. There we go. So this will be for the middle of the table, like a centerpiece. This is long. We're going to go short, about maybe like 5 inch. We'll cut them. It depends how is your plate and what in what you are doing the decoration. So we're going to cut them like this way short. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it a little bit sharp to make it easier to go in, even though this is a sponge over here, which I wear it. So do not forget, water them always, because they are big flowers and they can drink lots of water. We want them to last pretty long time for us. So we're gonna, let me make it a little bit more shorter. There you go. Look how beautiful flowers they are. I have such a beautiful daughter-in-law that she thinks very good about me. We get along very nice. We enjoy each other very well. I was thinking to put them up like this all around, but I think I will put them down like this. Let's do this. We can always do different decoration all the time. Look how beautiful it is. I can't believe how pretty they can be, those flowers. All right, we'll cut this one too. And here we go. I know you might say, oh, it's so sad we're cutting it, but believe me, we're gonna enjoy the flower. We won't waste. And this one we will put on our dining table, and we will enjoy it every day. I think this one is curling different directions, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut another one. Let me see if this is gonna stay. Or let's see this one. Okay. I think this one, it has to go maybe, it wants to go different direction. So that's what we will do. Here we go. Of course, remember, the branches are touching to each other. So make sure that we go a little bit short. You can do it any way you want. It's your little garden. This is my beautiful garden. All right, let me push this more in. And here we go. It's already just like that. I didn't push this too much in. We have to make sure that you tape it very good. There. And here we go. Now, with this beautiful flower, what we need is, we're gonna put beautiful, we have baby bread. I got this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill it with the baby bread. This will look very beautiful even for the wedding at the tables. We always have roses hydrangeas for the weddings. I have to say, even you put this flower, it will bring your appetite on the table to see, to watch it. Here we go. I have to say, the baby bread looks so beautiful with the sunflowers. Okay, let's see. You know what, this is the ideas I'm giving it to you, and I'm sure you can do those things, but it's always good to get other people's idea. That's what we're human, we learn from each other. We see, we create, it gives us different kind of ideas. When you watch this, you might get different kind of ideas, and you feel like I could have done different, put different things or whatever. And that's how you learn from doing it and enjoying it. Like I said, flowers, they don't need any rule regulation. Look how beautiful garden it looks. It doesn't have to be exactly what they call, like tied up like a soldiers. You have to let the flowers to be loose. A little bit left, a little bit right. There you go. It does look like a garden. Let me see. Oh, this is looking beautiful. We have to add some more, because baby bread, it looks like more you put, more pretty it looks. It brings the color, the flower even more out, a vibrant color, the yellow color. Now, even like this, the way it is, it's beautiful. We don't have to add anything green, but always with the green, it's beautiful. Let me see, maybe I should put some fern over here. Let's see how it's gonna go with the fern. If it looks too much, we might put just different kind of filler. Yeah, well, it looks kind of very delicate, so I guess with the baby bread, they're gonna look good. So we don't wanna block the color of we don't wanna cover the baby bread. This way, it will look like it's like a see-through. Look how gorgeous it is. It's like it's open your appetite. Even the flowers, you wanna eat them. That's how beautiful it is. I do really enjoy flowers. I enjoy to do arrangement, to work in my garden. Let me see. It's breathtaking arrangement it is. Let's cut the tip here. There we go. While it's really delicate leaves they are, we can put as much as we can. We don't want to put bunch, we just put very light pieces, and it will do the trick. I think we're going to go just a little bit shorter this one. It's a little too long. And let's cut it in angle, so this way doesn't look too high from the rest. There you go. Let's see. I think this is very, very elegant flower arrangement it is. Let me see if I need to go shorter. No, I guess it's fine. Look how beautiful it is. Any corner you look, they are beautiful. Well, I hope you will like this arrangement. And if you get hang of this kind of flowers in your hands, you see it, you'll buy it, or you have in your garden, you can plant. It doesn't have to be this kind, but any sunflowers, and you can decorate this way. This is very, very beautiful. Well, I hope you'll do the same, and I thank you very, very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like, and I thank you again. Beautiful. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.